Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got an unboxing. Now this is a very special unboxing, and that is because it was given to me by APM. Now for those of you that haven't seen APM's channel yet, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video below. But APM stands for Addicted to Precious Metals, and he's a very good friend of mine, someone that I've known for minimum 20 years, and he's recently got into investing in precious metals. Not only just investing in precious metals, but also he's got his own channel here on YouTube. Now I met up with him the other day because I sold some silver to him. Now I will go into more detail in a future video, but I've actually sold silver to a number of creators now, including Cobra Stacker, the Stack Collector and APM. Now, it's been a really pleasant experience. It's definitely taught me that, personally, I think that selling directly to someone as opposed to selling online is so much more convenient when it comes to liquidating your silver. It's been a really great experience selling some of my silver to other creators and knowing that I'm actually going to be able to still appreciate the silver that I parted with. Because for many of you that have been following my series along, you'll know that I didn't want to liquidate any silver. It was all part of kind of an experiment to free up some cash instead of going into some of my other investments, and it has taught me a lot along the way. But it's nice to think that the silver that I've sold so far has gone to 3 creators. So all 3 of those people have their own channels. So I'm going to be able to appreciate my silver in their videos when they unbox it and when it arrives. So when I'm up with APM, he gave me this box. It says to 365, thank you for everything, mate. Much love, APM. P.S. Yes, I used the box you gave me, LOL. Waste not, want not. Because this is actually the box that I gave him a gift in a couple of weeks ago. So really cool, really generous of him. I really do appreciate it. He's actually got his own channel stickers made up already. You can see Addicted to Precious Metals since 2023. And like I said, if you haven't checked his channel out already, do head over. He's already amassed a huge collection of precious metals. He's got gold and silver, and he's got some really nice pieces. So let's get straight into this video. I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to this. Now, he said he wanted to get me a little something to say thank you very much to all the support I've given him in his whole kind of precious metals journey. Not only did I help him make his first purchase of precious metals, I've also given him some tips and advice along the way with starting his YouTube channel. So let's get straight into the unboxing and let's see what we have. Right, here we go. Bubble wrap here. Also, we've got the first item is here at the top. Oh look, we've got a nice note here. So we've got his stickers here. These are really cool. Look at these. They're like different from the other stickers. They're not kind of circle or square. They're rectangle. I really like that. Oh look, and when you peel it off, it's like oval. So that's quite cool. See, it peels off there. So yeah, really cool stickers. Addicted to Precious Metals. Really love the logo. A little bit biased because I did actually help him make the logo. But yeah, really nice stickers. Thank you very much. Now I did see a note on one of them. Here we go. So it says, 365, thank you for all your help and support. You've gone above and beyond in helping me from the start. One of the longest and truest friends, APM. So really nice. Thank you very much, APM, for the kind words. I really appreciate that. Let's see what else we have in this box. We've got some bubble wrap here. I can see a pen. Wow, look at that. He's got his own. I don't think I've seen any other creators with their own pens. Addicted to Precious Metals since 2023. Look at that. What a cool piece. What a great idea. Something that I'll be able to use and also appreciate. So yeah, thank you very much. Really cool. I don't think I've seen anyone else with their own brand pen, so that's something different. Got something else in here. Oh, I know what these are. I've seen. Wow, how many has he sent? He sent me 2. Wow, I saw these being unboxed on his channel, and I did not for 1 second think that he was gonna be sending me one of them as well. But he's actually sent me 1 of each. So so generous. Look at that. This is the Backyard Bullion hand poured channel bars that he had made. We've got the 1 gram there, and I believe this one is 10 grams. Yeah, 10 grams. Addicted to Precious Metals, 10 grams, 999 fine silver. And you can see Backyard Bullion had these made for him and these really cool blister packs. Wow. And that one's got the APM initials on it. 1 gram. Wow, really, really generous. Thank you so much. You did not have to send me both of the bars. I didn't expect any of the bars, but I didn't expect to get one of the 10 gram ones because I know you only had a few of these ones made up. Look at that. What a gorgeous piece. Now, he's really gone above and beyond, because when I decided to get some of these sent out to different creators, I went for the 1 gram bars. Already, he's got these huge 10 grammers in there. Wow, really, really nice. So thank you very, very much. Very, very generous. Don't really know what to say. I did not expect to get one of each. Right, there's still more stuff in here. So we've got some more stuff here for Cobra. I'll get these shipped out to you ASAP, my friend, so don't you worry. These will be coming your way. Save all these up. What else have we got in here? Right, so, oh wow, look, we've got a few bits in here. So I've got 2 50p's. There you go, Cranky Stacker. You really love your 50p's. I'm guessing they're designed one. They are, look at that. So we have Paddington. Now, I'll have to dig out my collection of 50p's because I'm not exactly sure which ones I have and which ones I don't have. Really, really cool. Paddington one there. And we've got Peter Rabbit. Look at that. Really, really cool. Fantastic designs. 2017, that one. What year was that one? 2019. Wow, really cool. Thank you very much for that. Just keeps going. It's like a never-ending pit in here. There's so much stuff. More of these for Cobra. Got some bubble wrap. What was that? Oh, we've got one last item. 1 ounce silver coin, this looks like. Wow, this is the piece that you showcased. I've actually forgot about this. When you did so when APM did one of his unboxing videos, he actually showcased this on his channel. And he said that he'd picked this up for me as a way of saying, thank you very much for all the help I've given him, because I haven't actually got this design. Now, he was showing it on his channel. I think he got himself one of these. And I said to him, I haven't seen that design before. I really like that. And this is a 2023 koala. Now, I'm not sure how many years that this coin's been released. Do let me know in the comment section below. Is this the first year the koala's been released, or are there a similar kind of amount of these, the same as the kookaburra? I've actually got a 2022 kookaburra there. Really, really cool. Look, the font's the same on the koala. What a nice piece. Thank you very, very much. And this one's got the date of the Queen's reign on there as well. So it's kind of a commemorative one to the Queen. Wow, what a gorgeous piece. I've really been spoiled here. APM, thank you very, very much. You didn't have to send me this amount of stuff. I've really been spoiled. Cobra's been spoiled as well, because he'll be getting that very, very soon. So what did we get? We got a 1 gram silver bar. We got a 10 gram silver bar. 2 commemorative 50p's to add for my album. And a 1 ounce silver coin as well. So, so generous. Not forgetting the pen. And also we've got a nice selection of stickers here. I think I need to put them under something to flatten them back out. Really, really cool. Thank you very, very much. I really, really do appreciate that. You didn't have to send all of that stuff over. I enjoy helping channels grow. I enjoy kind of teaching people what I've learned. I think that's what's so good about the stacking community. Like I've said in previous videos, everyone wants to see everyone do well. We're all out to help each other. And I'll continue to help your channel grow, as will everyone else. I know the Stack Collector, Future Investments, Mark, Gary Crawford, Cranky, the list goes on. There's so many people that I see that have also really got behind APM and helped support his channel. So yeah, thank you to you all. Cobra especially as well. He's actually been on the phone a couple of times, I believe, to APM as well, giving him some advice and things like that. So yeah, I want to say a massive thank you as well to all of my subscribers, everyone that has headed over to APM's channel already, and they've already been showing him so much support. It really, really means a lot to me, and I know it means a lot to APM as well, because he wasn't sure about making his channel. He was and ahhing about making a YouTube channel, and he finally took the leap. So yeah, it's really nice that everyone's shown him lots of love and support. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Thanks again, APM. Really, really appreciate that. Thank you, Backyard Bullion, for putting these gorgeous pieces together. Really, really cool. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.